Here we've got a 6x4 standard trailer, domestic trailer. So this comes on 13-inch wheels, 5 leaf spring, checker plate mudguards, the rear, this piece folds down, so does the piece at the front, that folds down as well if you've got bits of wood or something like that you want to put through. All these are all adjustable, so you're not going to get any rattling. These you can either loosen them or tighten them, not like others out there that make a hell of a racket. The cage is easily removable, so you can just undo these. On this particular one there's only two on this one there and one there, and then that you can just remove that off. Big solid A-frame at the front. It's been reinforced on the sides as well to make it super strong. Some good tyre rails even on the front. Big thick chain with a D-shackle. And you've got the light connector there that fits into its wee position. Jockey wheel that turns and mounts that way when you pull the lever. This trailer will take about 750 kilograms worth of weight. Great wee trailer.